So yeah, hand cranks are fun. Alright, so now that I got my welder running there, yeehaw. Oh, by the way, for those of you out there that, yeah, you might recognize a few of the, a few of the things I have on there. Anyway, my little pop culture reference there. This thing definitely likes to misbehave. Anyway, yeah, so back to work here. What I'm doing here is this round stock. These are going to get welded right on the corners here. Just to aid in the speed of erecting this thing. My legs are cut a couple inches short there, so I can go ahead and just use my gin pole off the back of the truck there, level this platform, tack it, and just weld it out by, you know, having the, what am I trying to say? Weld it out with having the, you know, being able to have some travel here in these legs. I can just, you know, weld it there wherever it needs to be to level out this platform. Anyway, so I got to go ahead and put a little bit of a square on this bar stock just so it will slide up and down there. If it weren't for that seam in the tube there, right there, that would be really easy. But anyway, yeah, I got to do some grinding here. Well, I was going to do a demonstration here between the 5-inch Makita here, which I really do like, but man, that dude DeWalt kicks the crap out of. This is a 9005B, but this thing has been floating around in my toolbox, and yeah, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see that there, if it'll actually focus. Anyway, yeah, so I guess it's time to put a new cord on my Makita. Alright, YouTube, so basically this is where these are going to sit, and I'm just going to go ahead and burn them on with some 1/8 inch 5P plus, and then if I get really crazy I might come back with some 5/32 70/18s. There you go. Whoops, I forgot I'm using a non-auto darkening hood today. Alright, so there's some undercut on that, but that's because I turned this way high on the first pass here, just to make sure I got it burned in, and I'm going to cap it with a second pass here and probably just let it go with that. You know, this structure is ridiculously overbuilt as it is, so I'll probably just finish it off with some 6010s here. Alright, so there you go. There's one of those suckers burned on there. And yeah, 6010. Another reason why I've been using a lot of 6010s lately, especially the 5P plus variety right there. See if it'll focus. Come on, camera. Well, maybe not. Anyway, yeah, I bought like 600 pounds of them for a couple $100 a while ago. And so, yeah, that's another reason why I've been using them. Yeah, they're plenty strong for this application, and yeah, they look nice, so that's why I run with 6010s. Now I just got to put one on each corner here, and this part of it will be ready for, yeah, ready to ship out. Well, ready to take on the trailer up there, and then what do I have left here? I just took these as a template. These are the old ones. I'm pretty much just duplicating their design, so I just got one as, you know, one of each as a template from the old one, and then I got to go ahead and trace them out onto my new steel here, cut it out, and I'm going to go ahead and, the last time I did not do any of this. I just took raw steel up with me, and it ended up taking me like a 23-hour day or so to actually go ahead and get all this crap cut out and built up there on site. Not doing that one again. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and have everything ready to where all I have to do is bolt it together and go, basically. So yeah, there you go. At the end of this, I suppose I'll include some, or somewhere in here I'll include some footage with my new camera. But here's the grip strut. I cut this up in the video, if you look. Doing, the Makita or Milwaukee 8-inch saw. Yeah, I love that for cutting up grip strut. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. Thank you for watching.